Good morning. It depends when you're listening. Good morning, good evening, or good night. My name is Edline, and this is my second video um, telling you about the miracle God has been doing in my life. I know He has done so many. I don't know when I'm gonna stop because I don't think I never going to stop because He has been good for me. This one I'm about to tell you is about a dream that I have about 2018, since 2018, and I didn't take it that serious. And then when 2020 come, November 16, He has come and spoke with me in a vision. When we say vision, your eyes opening. And it was December 16, He come to me in my vision. Before, He has come to me 2 years before that, 2018, in my dream. This is what I saw. I saw myself at the airport. I was at the airport on the second floor, getting ready to line up to board the plane. While I was up there, I hear noise going on all over the place on the first floor. And people are screaming and yelling, and I questioned, what's going on down there? Why so much noise going on? Why all this crying? And someone told me that they are looking for the Sabbath keeper to kill them and destroy them. Meanwhile, I am on the second floor with a t-shirt, navy blue I was wearing, and front says Sabbath, reading with white. Navy blue t-shirt, but the letters was white. Say Sabbath, big letters, and the back also say Sabbath, big letters. There is no way you can miss me with that. And then by the time that person answering my question, what's going on, they were coming upstairs. It's like a group of gangs with guns. It's like they are on the race to see which one gonna kill more Sabbath keepers. And as they come up, they're killing each other. They're stepping on each other because they want to be the hero who killed the Sabbath keepers. And when they come to my floor, they're running all over the place looking for Sabbath keeper. I'm right in front of their eyes. They couldn't even see me. There is no way you can miss me. I have the t-shirt that says Sabbath in front, Sabbath in the back. There is no way you cannot see me. What happened? They cannot see me because God blind them. They can't see me. When I wake up in the morning, I was explaining the dream that I have with my family and then my church member, my sisters and brothers. They say, wow, that's amazing, this dream. And then I let it go. I let it go and I say, oh my God. And Sabbath to me, for my definition, is your ticket to heaven. That's my definition of Sabbath after that dream. And then 2020 come, March 16, while the coronavirus breakdown, and then after a couple of days, everything was shut down completely. Everything shut down, the store, everything shut down, except for the supermarkets and daily grocery was open. But everything else for business was shut down for a while. And then on that day, while I was in bed, waking up, sometimes when you wake up and you just stay in your bed, you don't jump out. I was in bed lying down with my eyes open and I see God come into me. And he say, the dream that you have about Sabbath, it's not just a dream for you to do nothing about it. You have to act on it. And I jump out of the bed. I say, oh my God, I'm gonna do it just the way you asked me to do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna order a t-shirt with Sabbath on it in front, Sabbath in the back. Because you have to remember, Sabbath is not just for 7 days Adventists or people who worship on Sabbath. That's not what it's about. Sabbath is for all of us. It's a commandment. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. It doesn't matter your religion. Sabbath have nothing to do with religion. It's about keeping the word of God. And then when I wake up, I say, okay, whoa, I'm gonna call to order a t-shirt. I'm calling all the area that I know that is close by me to have those t-shirts point out. And I said, wait a minute, but all the stores closed. There is no business going on. And I said, what am I gonna do? What I was thinking, what am I gonna do? Because there is nothing I can do. Something come to my mind to call one of my sisters that I have that live in Haiti. And I told my sister, you remember the dream that I told you I have 2 years ago? Now God come to me in vision and talk to me about it. I have to do something about it. And now I have no way to get that done. She said, my sister, you do not have to worry. I can have those things done over here in Haiti. Nothing is closed in Haiti. I said, oh, wow. So guess what? I only have $300. Find out how many t-shirts they can make for me for my $300. She said, no problem. She went, she asked, and they say to her, oh, I can only give her 4 dozen for that money. I said, well, it's good. It's not a big deal. At least I start, because you have to be obedient. When God talks to you, please be obedient. When he asks you to do something, it's not because he cannot do it himself. He wants you to know that you belong to a family. When you're a family do things together. We don't just let somebody sit in the corner, do nothing, and you're doing all the work. We work together. That's why sometimes when he asks us to do something, it's because he values you as a family member. He wants you to know you're part of him. And then a couple weeks later, my sister called me and said, oh, you know, the man who was going to do the t-shirt for me, he come up to me and he say that, you know, I will give you 8 dozen. Wow, what a miracle. You just need to be willing to do God work, and he will open the door. Because when he asks you to do something, it's because he's already have the way. You don't have to question, how am I going to do this? Oh, this is what's going on. Oh, I can't do that. It's because he already have a way for you. 8 dozen. My $300 supposed to give me 4 dozen, turn into 8 dozen. Double. And then when all my t-shirt was ready to ship to me, they charged me a lot of money to ship it back here. I paid $5, $5 for each t-shirt to be shipped to me because of the situation that was going on. But when you do God work, don't question. Everything will work out just fine. When I asked about those t-shirts, I want navy blue t-shirt, but they couldn't find any blue navy t-shirt for me. So I said, okay, whatever color you have. If it's white, then use blue, navy blue 8. So my sister, she changed the way I want the t-shirt. She wanted to look even better or nice, more presentable. And this is how she have them do it. You see the logo, this is the 7 Days Adventist logo. And over here, I say Sabbath. And in the back, this is what she do. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try my best. This is what's in the back. I say, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. When God asks us to keep the Sabbath holy, it's not because he wants to bother you. Way before he created us, he already knows that we are going to need a day of rest. We are not slaves. When he created Adam and Eve on the 6th day, way before they know what walking is about, they enter into the rest. Sabbath is not, some people might think that is bother them. But in reality, Sabbath is a gift that God has given us. It's a day for us to